National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeast Illinois until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large hail and penny-size hail located near Chicago. Doppler radar showed this storm moving east at 55 miles per hour. This storm can likely cause damage. Take cover in an interior room. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cook County at 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Cook County. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in northeast Illinois: Central Cook County,